Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to create these 3D Earth-like planets in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. Here I've got an image of a world map. For this example, click on this world map image, and then go to the Fusion page, and now disconnect the link between Media In and Media Out nodes. After that, select the Media In node, and then press Shift Space on your keyboard to bring this. Select Tool menu, and then search for Shape 3D and Renderer 3D, and now connect all 4 nodes in this way. And now select the Shape 3D node, then go to Inspector tab. Under the Controls tab, we have changed the shape mode to Sphere, and now under the Transform tab, adjust the Z value until you see the whole planet into our viewer monitor. And now to animate the rotation of this 3D Earth. To do this, we have to make keyframes on the Y rotation parameter on the very frame first of this animation, and now move forward few frames in time, then adjust the Y rotation parameter. It all depends where we want to end this rotation animation. And now go to Spline tab, select all the keyframes, and select this Set to Loop option. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!